welcome back to another beautiful day. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Probably just explore around, see what we can find. Maybe there's gonna be something cool today. Yeah. I do not know what to do. But we'll find something out. Don't worry, it'll be fine. Okay. Let's see here. What we got? You know what? We need more ore. Maybe diamonds and stuff. Oh, right. We were going to build the grinder, right? Yeah. For that, I'm gonna need some buckets. A lot, actually. Yeah. This should be easy. Alright. We got ourselves 6 buckets. I should probably drop this stuff off real quick. Just one for the rest. Not right now. I'm just gonna put it all in here until we can find something more important for it. We need this. We need this. I think that's it. I'm gonna bring some of this in case my pickaxe breaks. And then maybe an extra crafting table. You know what, I'll just chop down a tree and see if I can find something for that. Alright, I guess it's going to be a wonderful day today. Yeah, this will be fun. This will be awesome. Oh, right. How did I forget this? Oh, no. You know what? These 2 trees are just done for. You gotta cut them out. And the music is way too loud. Put it down there. Perfect. That's a little better. I also need food. Stuff I forget, I swear. Hi, Glorbo. Yeah. Mob farm. Yes, let's do this. Let's figure out. So I have built a couple of mob farms before. Normally for spawners, the spawn rate is in a 7x7 area. So we're gonna have to build a 7x7 out from the middle. And then I'm going to... I don't have any coal for lighting. It'll be fine. I don't need that much coal. Probably should have improved this staircase. There's so much to do in so little time. Definitely should have improved this. This goes way down. I think I'm gonna build a water bubble elevator next time. Alrighty, so we'll start off by getting everything out of here. Wish I could light the place up around here, but for now, I'm just going to close it all up. For now. Of course, I'm gonna need to expand it, but let's expand it this way. So this is 1, 2. All right, and then what is it? 9 this way. Perfect. And then I get to just mine this entire area out. So, hold please. That's, I guess, 1/4 of it done. 4 more to go. So yeah, this is gonna take a while. In fact, this is gonna take a long while. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh great, I have to go back up now. You know what, at this point, I might as well just build a better ladder. I have these. Let's just build a... Oh, I don't have... Right. In order to build a ladder, you kind of need a pickaxe first. You know, one of these days I'm going to learn that. One of these days. Today's not that day, so here we are. And I don't have any sticks. One of these days. That should be enough sticks, right? 40. That's 20 pickaxes. Yeah, I think I'll be fine. I shouldn't need that much. Almost done. There we go. We got it all squared away. Okay, I think we're gonna have to build a room. I think I want them to flow this way. I am gonna have to get rid of this, but I'm gonna go grab some more. Actually, I can build a couple more ladders. If I grab more ladders, then I can just make a stair going straight up. I don't have to deal with this. You would think at some point this would just get shorter and shorter. But no, it's just as long as it's always been. Looks like it's also... Was that morning? Ooh, is that a wandering trader where... I do not like them. They're not fun to hang around with. They don't have any good stories. Oh well. Some more ladders. That. I'm gonna chop down some more trees and then just go build up the ladder. This one looks like a good one. And down it comes. Perfect. This is going to be so much easier. Hi, Glorbo. How you doing today? Yeah, they're doing fine. 40. That should make it up pretty fast. Okay, what do you have? Ooh, I do want cherry saplings. Because I want to have a cherry tree. That will be awesome. Please stay, wandering trader. I am also slightly worried about phantoms, because they are going to show up at some point if I don't go to bed. And we do not want that. I'm pretty sure I could fight off a couple of phantoms, but then again... Alrighty. I'm going to keep this ladder here in case I don't have enough to make it all the way up to the top. Here. Yeah, we'll just do this. Up we go. Place that. Yes, this will be perfect. We gotta put down some light first. some more light. I think I'm gonna need more ladders. Yeah, I only have 23 left, and I don't think I've made it all the way up yet. There we go. And here we are. All the way up. Uh-oh. Surprised I didn't die. That did help. So now... Oh. Guess a cave system. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go back down. Grab some more wood. This is the only one that actually goes up, so I have to use this one, unless... So stupid. Here we are. Here we go. This is easier. I don't think it's gonna go all the way up, but we'll still make it most of the way. And then we'll just have to build a little ladder like we did last time. I'm also going to want to do a little bit of that. And up we go. More gravel. That's fine. Now we just build a staircase. For now. Once we get back up there, I'm going to build an actual ladder. Get some more. Wow, this is a lot of gravel. I do not like all this gravel. This will get in the way of a lot of things. Mostly going up. Up, up. Yes. This is gonna be awesome. We're gonna have yes, this will work. Alright. Give me a sec. Hold, please. Huh. A little closer to where I thought it was going to be. Right. To cut down more trees. Just wonderful. Can't tell. I don't like cutting down all these trees. They're good trees. I just... $51. And here we are. And here we go. That should be good. 21 more. It'll be fine. We'll make it up this time. I don't think I'm gonna need... I might, but I'm not gonna bring another pickaxe. Because I'm just too lazy for that. And I simply don't want to. Alright, here we are. Up we go. I need to fill this all in, don't I? Guess not all of it, but, you know. So it looks nice and all. Perfect, perfect. Up and up and up. Wow, okay. I might have to fill a lot of this in. Thankfully, oh, not enough ladders. How much more ladders? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, I guess we'll have to deal with that in the morning. Ow. Alrighty. Alrighty. Still no more. I have to cut down another tree. Don't like that. Cut down this tree. Perfect. Perfect. 21. That is one short. That'll be fine. We'll be okay. We don't have to use all of them. Alrighty. Okay. Up, up, and up. Wow, I'm really lucky I did this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. Perfect. And now we gotta place a nice way to go down there. I know it's been a pretty boring episode so far, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it off here. So yeah. I'll make sure to like and subscribe and just have a wonderful day. Alright, bye.